Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung Pay not working on Android step by step. If Samsung Pay is not opening, keeps failing during payments, or just won't work properly, this method usually fixes it. Let's start with the first thing you should check. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. If power saving mode or battery saver is turned on, tap it and turn it off. Power saving mode can block background services, and Samsung Pay needs those services to work correctly. Once it's off, try opening Samsung Pay again. If Samsung Pay still isn't working, open your phone's settings. Go to Device Care, then tap on Battery. From there, open Power Mode and make sure it's set to High Performance or Optimized. Also check that Adaptive Power Saving is disabled. After doing this, close Samsung Pay completely, reopen it, and test it again. If the issue continues, we need to disable battery optimization for Samsung Pay. Open Settings again, go to Device Care, then Battery, and tap on Battery Usage. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Optimize Battery Usage. Find Samsung Pay in the list and turn optimization off for it. This allows Samsung Pay to run properly in the background without being restricted. Next, we need to make sure Samsung Pay is set as the default contactless payment app. Open Settings, then go to Connections, then tap NFC. From there, open Tap and Pay and select Samsung Pay as the default app. This step is very important if Tap to Pay is not working at stores. After doing all of this, restart Samsung Pay and try making a payment again. In most cases, Samsung Pay should now work normally on your Android phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Android and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.